Hi guys, this is Shoaib. Welcome back to Primo Customs. So today I'm here to showcase one of our new product, that is the tail bag. And we get a lot of queries asking कि भाई top box लेना चाहिए या tail bag लेना चाहिए, because both of them are used to carry your luggage. So we are here to explain you the pros and cons of both the items. So starting with the disadvantages of the top boxes, the first and the biggest disadvantage is the weight. An empty top box nearly weighs about 6 to 8 kgs, whereas a bag will only weigh a couple of grams. And the second disadvantage is I realized as soon as I reached my destination, because once I've reached, I have to carry the top box till my hotel room, and carrying this box after the entire day of riding is really hard, guys, trust me. Whereas on this bag, you just have to carry it like this. You can just lift it, or else it has a strap also to carry on your shoulder. So the third disadvantage of the box is that a top rack is mandatory to mount the top box, whereas you can just mount this bag on the pillion seat with the straps provided. You do not need an additional top rack for it. Coming back to the advantages of the top box will not move its position at any given cost once it's locked to the top rack, whereas the bag can slightly adjust its position in off-road terrains, so you will have to get down from your motorcycle, adjust it again and continue your ride, which is never going to happen in the top box. The second part of the box is that you get a backrest. So this is very important for pillion, especially on motorcycles like this. So a pillion support is a must, whereas in the tail bag you do not get any pillion support. And the third advantage of the box is that it's really very easy to mount. You just have to slide it inside the top rack and lock with the mechanism provided. Whereas on the bag you have to tie the straps every time, which can be time consuming and frustrating at some point. So both the products are readily available on our website with cash on delivery facility. Do let us know in the comments if you would choose a top box or the tail bag. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you in the next one.